Well, finally some improvement in our weather here today. Meteorologist Steve Knight, that coastal low that brought us the clouds, the occasional showers throughout the day yesterday is slowly pulling off to the east, and as it does, it's going to take a little while, but our skies will start to clear a bit here during the late afternoon, and as it does start to clear, we'll see those temperatures actually warm up pretty nicely. Normal high this time of year is 66. We're headed for a high right around 70 here today. So there's that coastal low. We woke up early this morning with a few leftover sprinkles, but all of that now is starting to just kind of fall apart. So as this low pulls away, skies start to clear from west to east. We'll look for some sunshine here later on today. Kind of a mix of clouds and sun for your Wednesday, but back half of the work week, not only looking drier, but it's looking quite a bit brighter as well. There's your overall temperature trend. So around 70 today, and then with that front coming through tomorrow, that cold front as it slides through in the morning, highs will only be reaching the mid 60s, which on average is, where we should be. Warmer for the weekend, then another front coming through that's going to bring us some rain, but not until late in the day on Sunday. So Saturday looks good. First half of Sunday looks pretty quiet before we start to see some rain move in Sunday evening. That will wrap up Monday morning. And right now it's looking like maybe a third of an inch to closer to a half an inch of rain. And again, the timing here would be later in the day on Sunday and into the early part of the day on Monday. But for today, look for the clouds to start to break during the afternoon from west to east. Tonight, just a few clouds around, down to around 50 for the overnight low. So really feeling like October here tomorrow and moving forward through the rest of the work week. Warmer for the weekend. Then we'll see some showers develop Sunday night.
Here's a look at the roads from the Exterior Company Traffic Alert Center.
Yeah, pretty easy morning for the most part on the roadways. Not too much to tell you about. We'll get right into some of these maps and what we're looking at right now. This is the Capitol Beltway. Here, this first one here for you. It's got a little bit of yellow towards the middle part, but not anything that's going to cause any issues. I mean, you look at the 4 cameras and you don't really see anything. So no problems in and around Dauphin County and Harrisburg as well. That's a good sign to start the morning. Now we see some trouble in Lancaster County. You see a lot of red going through the map, west to east through Lancaster County. You can see that bottom right corner. That's the big map showing you some traffic on US 30 PA 501. So there's a little bit of congestion in Lancaster County. Make sure you're noteworthy of that when you head out this morning if you're still getting up and just heading out the door right now. So a couple of slow movements in Lancaster County. Your county looks pretty good. Again, a little bit of yellow going east to west, west to east, but overall pretty good in your county. No real problems to tell you too much about. A couple of drive times for you this morning. Harrisburg to Lancaster, about 36 right now. Carlisle over to Chambersburg is going to take you a little less than half an hour, 27 minutes. Lancaster to Lebanon, about 54 minutes. Now we get into some more congested drives right now for you this morning. Mechanicsburg to Harrisburg is in the yellow, going to take you about 9 minutes, so not too much of a problem there. Lancaster to Harrisburg about 25, York to Harrisburg about 30 right now. All 3 of those drive times in the yellow for you. Giving you a look at Lebanon County, nice and clean on all your major roadways in and around Lebanon County. You head all the way down to Adams County. That's where we did have an accident early this morning. That is, for the most part, all lanes are opened up, but there is still a little bit of road work going on. That's the intersection of Georgetown Road and Kingsdale Road in Germany Township. And send over to Franklin County. So pretty good in Franklin County for the most part. A couple of delays, but nothing really causing too many issues. Just a couple of yellow times on the traffic map. We'll leave you with one last look here of the Dauphin County area, the Capitol Beltway, here on the Morning Rush for you this morning.